Good girl. All right. Oh, yeah. Big retrieve there. Oh, yeah. It's a good one, Sophie. You can't get the stick, too, Soph. You can't get everything. Oh, you'd rather have the stick. The stick's bigger than the ball. You're going to get the stick. Sophie. You goofus. Well, you're walking on the bottom now. Jesus, Sophie. Yes. Well, I hear somebody heavy breathing behind me. Oh, looks like it's Sydney. Sydney, you can't have two of them. It ain't gonna work, boy. And there goes Sophie, following Sid. Oh, they each have a ball. How sweet. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Each of them have their own ball. Hey, Sid. Get the camera wet. Yes. Okay. Just gonna have to set Sid up here. Oh, look at Sophie. Alright.